Here's how you ruin a biker's day in one simple step. Getting screwed by the psh of doom. Dave here from A to B Biking, and punctures are zero fun. So let me show you how to fix them quick and easy in less than 60 seconds. Good trail etiquette is hopping out the way of others while busy with your repairs. So for larger holes like this, I prefer the Stan's dart. Simply twist the cap off, pinch the hole, press the dart into the hole, and Bob's your uncle. Option number 1 to reinflate is to bomb the tire. You screw the bomb into the adapter, breaking the film, and the sudden release of CO2 will reseat and inflate the tire. Make sure to only break the film once you firmly press the adapter onto the valve. If your tire didn't unseat, option number 2 is the tiny hand pump of doom. This little terror haunts bikers everywhere, but at the cost of forearm pump, it's gotten many a stranded rider home. And these two options can avoid you doing the walk of shame just to get your bike back home. If you bomb the tire, it's good practice that when you get home to let all the CO2 out of the tire and reinflate with a normal pump. This prevents the sealant from reacting and clotting inside of the tire. Make sure to top up your stand sealant regularly.